Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a beautiful 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner. Great car, guys. I love this car. Bought it at the Cruising the Coast show down in Gulfport, Mississippi. Rock solid body. It is an original Roadrunner. Healthy 383, 727 Torqueflite trans, 8 3/4 sure grip rear end, air, disc brakes. You can see it's got a killer set of rocket chrome wheels on it. But just a great car. Like I say, it's out of the Mississippi area. Rock solid body, clean underneath. You can nitpick the paint, guys. It's got 20-year-old paint on it. This is the original color, which is honey bronze metallic. I love the white vinyl top with the white stripe down the side and the black hood performance, hood treatment performance. The car's just got a great look. Like I say, you can nitpick the paint because it is 20-year-old paint, but I'll tell you, you can crawl all over this thing. The body's rock solid, and it's just a good car. Fresh rebuild on the drivetrain, nice Mopar Performance camshaft in it that sounds real good. It's got air blows cold. Just a good car, man. Like I say, as we go around, I'll show you, there's little stone packs, there's stuff like that you can kind of nitpick on the car, but a good car, real good car. Turn the key, go have some fun. I wouldn't be afraid to jump in this thing and drive it to California. Just a good car. Vinyl top's in great shape. Pop out rear windows work. Like I say, just a fun car to drive. And good, solid body. Again, you can kind of nitpick the paint. I wouldn't mess with it. Turn the key and go have some fun, guys. Again, it's going to be priced at a price that you don't have to break the bank. This is what we got a lot of people asking for. They want stuff that they can turn the key and go drive, and they don't want to spend $50,000, $60,000. See how nice and flat that car is down the sides. Good rubber. It's got Khumo rubber all the way around it. Great set of rocket wheels. Nice and clean underneath. Got it up in the air. Got some pictures of the bottom for you. Little ding there. You can see it there in the door. Or not in the door. It's actually in the quarter. Front disc brakes. Original 383 car. It is not the matching numbers engine. It is an error correct motor, and I think it's actually a 68 block. Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock aluminum intake. Does have a Mopar Performance camshaft, power steering, power front disc brakes. You can see they got the chrome master cylinder on it and booster. Stock exhaust manifolds. Does have air blows cold. 727 Torqueflite automatic transmission. Here's your original fender tag. I don't know if I showed you the bottom here. Good car, man. Just a really good car, too. Fun to drive. This thing gets its R's quick, hits the road excellent. Nice and tight. glass is nice. Pick that A-pillar chrome a little bit, but man, that's pretty doggone nice. That's just a little wax, guys. Original mirrors. Looks like the original door handles. Car's only got 88,000 original miles on it. Matter of fact, this is all the original interior set. Factory bench seat. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it, including the harnesses. $88,471 on the odometer. All the gauges work. I can't remember if the radio works or not. I can't remember that. It's dual exhaust, again, 8 3/4, 323 sure grip. Factory jack with a red line spare, which is pretty cool. Does have the original quarters. He said they put a trunk pan in it. They did a nice job. It's all body color in here. He said the lower pan had just had a little rust in it. Like I say, just a good looking car. Car's clean underneath, Flowmaster dual exhaust. Doors are nice and clean. Good car. It's got the aftermarket classic air gate switches in it. And like I say, this thing runs out awesome. You're gonna like the way it sounds, guys. Nice little cam to it. There it goes. It's on now. Good. AC does work, blows cold. Got a little wet. Nice car. I tell you, this thing runs awesome, guys. Gauges work. One backup laid out. Well, I tell you, the car sounds good, man. Just the high idle's on because it's cold. Flip your radio on. Power's up. It works. It does? Can't remember. There it goes. Yep, radio does work. Again, your lower motor works. Doors open and close real nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. or our YouTube page. Make sure you subscribe to that. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That's a good looking bird right there, man. Yeah, I like this car a lot, guys. If you're looking for a nice driver, I think you have a blast with this car. Have a great day, guys.